Welcome to OSR Garage. I'm Jim. Today we're going to be talking about a 2021 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Alright, today we've got a 2021 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss. The color on this one is satin steel metallic. The other color options that are available for these trucks are red hot, north sky blue, silver ice, summit white, black shadow gray, Oxford brown, and for an extra charge you can get a cherry red tint coat and an iridescent pearl. So these LT Trail Bosses, they come standard with the Z71 package, which includes a 2-inch factory lift, a tuned suspension, Rancho shocks, and skid plates. So as you can see here, the new for the 2021, they have a blacked out grill and a blacked out bow tie, which is something new that Chevy has just started doing. You see the black bumpers also. Looks really nice, really blended together. So on this Silverado, they opted for 20-inch gloss black wheels with off-road tires. You can see they're Goodyear Wranglers. This also comes with LED headlights and fog lights. This specific Silverado Trail Boss also included the Dark Essentials package, which, as you can see here, includes the black Chevrolet across, the black Silverado, and the black LT emblems right here. And then you pull it down, and it's an assisted lowered drop. This one comes with the bed protection inside. It's got a spray-in bed liner, and the other thing that comes in that bed protection package is the wheel well covers. That's something that some of the other manufacturers are not doing, so that's a big plus for these Chevys. So this Silverado Trail Boss, this is owned by a friend of mine, and he added a few things to the truck. As you can see here, he's added rough country running boards. These are real nice. They've got a real wide step to them, and it makes it very easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Plus it just looks nice. It's almost kind of like rock sliders. Look very good. He also added this tonneau cover. This is a hard tonneau cover. It's really nice, really sturdy, and it's made by Exceed, or it's Exceed by Xtang. It's really nice. Okay, we're going to take a look at the engine here. This Trail Boss is equipped with a 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 V8. Puts out 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. It is direct injection, and it also has cylinder deactivation. It's paired with a 10-speed transmission with 323 axle ratio. All that combined gets a 0 to 60 in 6.7 seconds. Gas mileage is 16 in the city and 21 on the highway. And it could tow about 9,200 pounds. And you can also put 2,100 pounds of cargo in the bed. Okay, so my friend also opted for the leather seating. He went ahead and added some rough country neoprene seat covers because he wanted to protect that leather interior. They look like they fit pretty nice. He said it does get a little baggy, a little bunchy right here. So, but that's from him getting in and out. Other than that, if you look, there's got a real nice wood trim here on the side door handles. Same thing on the other side there. There's a little bit there on the side of the console. Looks pretty nice. Go ahead and get in. So as you can see, this comes with an 8-inch touchscreen. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comes with a 6-speaker Bose system. It also has 120 volt outlet right here. You have your 12 volt, and you also have a USB-C and USB-A. This one's also equipped with the trailer brake. On this side over here, you have your mode button. You have auto 4-wheel drive. You have 4 high, 4 low, and 2 high. And then you've got your light settings. Your bed light, or what a lot of people like to call that, the octopus launcher. So you have this real nice 6-gauge instrument cluster. You got a small little digital in the middle there that will give you all the information that you want to see. So you can see your tire pressure, music that you have on, your navigation right on the screen, telephone, then your other settings. And you just scroll through. Up here, this does come with a powered rear window right here. You can press it right there, open it up, and then you press to close. It's real nice. All these Chevys are still equipped with OnStar, which is kind of surprising. Not a lot of people are using OnStar anymore, but I think Chevy has always continued to use it. It's got the garage door opener buttons right here that you can program. You can see there's a decent amount of room in here. You got a real nice center console. You can see how deep that is. And there's also a USB-A and USB-C connector there. It looks like also an auxiliary port and a spot for an SD card. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'll get in the back and show you how the seating is in the back. This is the crew cab, so you can take a look and you can see, looks like it's a pretty nice amount of room. Got some storage up underneath here. And getting in the back, lot of room. Really nice, very comfortable. No problem with 4 adults riding around. You could even go cross country in this. You also, in the back here, you have another 12 volt plug-in. You've got a USB-A, USB-C to charge your cell phones with. You've got air vents back here. One thing that I've noticed that is really nice about these Chevys is, of course, you've got this pull down here. It's got your cup holders, but you also have these little compartments in the doors that you have some extra storage for. So that is a really nice touch. I like that. Alright, so my friend is a longtime Ford owner. He's owned a Ford Ranger for a really long time. They own a Ford Transit van. He also ordered a custom Ford Mustang. And he had that for quite a while. He decided that he didn't need it anymore and they needed a truck. So they went and looked for a new truck. He built this on the website, did a search for it, found it, thought it was great. It fit everything that they were looking for. And so they went up and bought it. And he really liked the looks of it and the stance of it. And I can understand that. It does have a nice look, a nice stance. It's got that 2-inch lift. It almost appears to sit pretty level. So I can understand. It looks really nice. The color's really good. It's it's a nice truck. You know, so that's basically why he bought it. You know, I also asked him, I said, did you have any issues with it? Being a Ford guy, you know, you're always worried about what the other manufacturers are going to do, or what the problems you're going to have with those other manufacturers. And when I talked to him about it, he did have one major issue so far, and that was they were getting ready to take a long trip across country, and he wanted to get the oil changed before they took that trip. And it was a new truck, so he wanted to, you know, get that break-in oil out, get some fresh new oil in there for his trip. Well, he went and got that oil changed, and as he was getting ready to leave the dealership, all the lights and everything came on, and it only had 2,600 miles on it, but they found out that it had a bad lifter and a bent push rod. So there, his truck was stuck there at the dealership for over a week to get fixed. Luckily, he took it in early before they left for their trip, or they might have not have had a truck to take on his trip, and they might have had to, you know, come up with some other idea or postpone their trip. But other than that, he said the truck has been great, but for that reason, he doesn't plan on keeping it long term. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to try to do some more of these reviews. The new 22s are coming out. I'm going to try to get through and get some reviews on some cars and some trucks, some SUVs. So don't forget to click subscribe, click the like button, and click the bell notification so when we start getting these reviews coming out, that you'll be the first ones to see them.